If a dog comes at you and you just stand there, most of the time it won't actually bite. Something like 99% of them back down. But the moment you run, that number falls apart on you. And it's got nothing to do with being brave. It's just how a dog's brain is built. Because to a dog, a person standing still and a person running aren't really the same thing. As far as its instincts are concerned, those are two completely different creatures. When you're standing still, you're this tall, upright thing it can't quite read and can't rule out as dangerous, so it hangs back. But the second you take off, you stop being a mystery and turn into something it recognizes instantly. There's no slow build to it either. It flips the moment your feet move. It's kind of brutal, honestly. Run off with a friend, and the dog doesn't even agonize over it. It just goes after whichever one of you is slower. You can trace all of this straight back to wolves. They spent millions of years running things down across open ground, and after that long, one simple rule basically got wired in. If it runs, go after it. Biologists call it the chase reflex, and the important part is that it fires before any real thinking happens, the same way your hand jerks towards something before your brain has caught up. So the dog isn't really deciding to chase you. That call got made thousands of years before it was born. What's strange is that a dog's eyesight is actually pretty bad, noticeably worse than ours. Hold still and it can barely tell you're a living thing. It pretty much has to smell you to be sure. Movement is a completely different story though. The instant you move, you flag yourself on its vision, and it locks on without even trying. So staying still keeps you vague and hard to place, while running is the exact thing that turns you into an obvious target. And if you're still figuring you could just outrun it, the real numbers are humbling. Your average mutt runs somewhere around 28 miles an hour. A Doberman's closer to 31. A Greyhound clears 40. Meanwhile, a grown adult sprinting flat out tops out near 15 and can't even hold that. So running was never actually an escape. You're just signing up for a race you've already lost, against something that happens to love the game. There's a nastier layer to it too. When you panic and run, your body floods with adrenaline, and that fear has a smell the dog picks up right away. The problem is, it excites the dog instead of warning it off. So you fall into this ugly little cycle where being scared makes you run, running gets you chased, and getting chased just makes you more scared. People really do get stuck in it. So here's what you actually do instead, and it comes down to 5 things. First, you stop moving. Your legs can be shaking the whole time, that's fine, you just don't run. Second, turn side on and keep your eyes off its eyes, because staring a dog down reads as a challenge. Third, let your hands hang low and keep them still, no waving them around, no yelling. Fourth, start backing away slowly and stay upright the entire time. And whatever you do, don't crouch, because reaching toward the ground looks exactly like a person going for a rock, and that's something dogs are wired to fear. And fifth, if you've got a bag or a jacket on you, hold it out in front of your body. A dog goes for whatever's closest, so you want that closest thing to be anything other than your leg. And none of this really makes the dog some villain when you think about it. That same reflex is the entire reason wolves survived in the first place. If they couldn't run prey down, they didn't eat, and a wolf that doesn't eat obviously never becomes the dog asleep on your couch tonight. We just went a totally different direction as a species. We more or less gave up on being fast and poured everything into our brains and our hands instead. We genuinely can't outrun almost anything that wants to eat us. We just got good enough at outthinking them that we turned the wolf into a pet and the wild boar into bacon. So the next time a dog comes flying at you, the move is the least natural thing in the world. Don't run. Just stand still. If you got something out of that, subscribing helps. And if there's a topic you want broken down next, leave it in the comments.